Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to style shorts, or the way I style them. I'm kind of rushing because I have to go pick up my son soon. But yeah, I wanted to get this video out for you guys because summer's about to be here, and I love shorts. I love my legs, and they're easy. I feel like shorts are just something you can just put on with a t-shirt, sandals, or sneakers and go. Now, I know a lot of people, a lot of women tend to say they don't like shorts because of their legs. And honestly, I don't have perfect legs either. I also bought this coconut hydrate firming lotion. It's supposed to help with dimpling, cellulite, and all that stuff. Bio oil, I heard, is great too. I might try that in the future. But what I'm doing in the next couple months is massaging this every night after showering. And I want to see if it improves the dimples, the cellulite that I have on my legs. But other than that, I'm okay with my legs. I can deal with them. I'm 5'10". I have really long legs, so I tend to wear shorts a lot. But now that I'm a woman of a particular age, I try to keep the shorts at a certain length. So my sweet spot, or the area that I'm comfortable with, is like almost a little bit in the thigh area. Anything shorter than that I cannot do because I don't want my bum hanging out and, stuff, jiggling out of my shorts. So that's kind of my area that I keep it at. So with shorts, when you are a woman of a particular age, over 40, you just want to keep them, kind of appropriate a little bit. You don't want to be overdoing them where you just you look like you're just trying too much. You don't want that. So you just want to kind of balance them out. So with shorts, what I do is when I'm wearing, shorts, my legs are out, I'll wear a top that's maybe, just over the shoulder like you guys are going to see, or I wear a t-shirt that's covered up more on the top, or I just wear a tank top, but the tank top is not like cropped or anything like that, because you don't want to be doing too much at the same time. That's always the rule of fashion. It's like if you are wearing something short, try to cover up the top. If you're wearing something that's super short at the bottom, super like shows revealing at the top, then you want to cover up the bottom. So you balance it out. So that's really the key with when you're a woman of a particular age, and you don't want all your goodies out. The video of how I styled the shorts and kind of talk about why I did it the way I did it and stuff like that. So the first one I did was I got this top from Walmart. It came in so many amazing colors, and it's like a basic tank top. It's super soft. I love that, and I was just able to tuck it into my they're almost like linen denim shorts. I found those at TJ Maxx, and I went crazy. And I love that they have a little belt. They're stretchy, very comfy, very loose. And so I tucked this in, and this is perfect in the summer when I'm just running errands, or I'm running to go pick up my kid at school, or picking up my, just going to the park. It was super easy to wear. So I love that look. The next look that I did was with these high shorts that I got from Target. They're a little bit more high-waisted, and they have buttons going down. But I decided to kind of step it up a little bit with the long blouse that's like off the shoulder and stuff like that. A little bit long sleeved. It's tucked in as a bodysuit, and bodysuits are really awesome with shorts because once you tuck them in, they're not peeking out and like pulling through, and you don't have to like worry like, am I tucking correctly, because they just kind of smooth out everything easily. So you guys can see that. So that's off the shoulder. It's really balanced out. The colors are like really the pants are like green, which is neutral but also kind of springy and summer like. So that was another one of those looks that I really enjoyed. The next one, this one, I'm wearing a white shorts, like they're linen shorts. This top is a little bit risque because I had to tape my boobs. I'm still taped up because I had to kind of show a little bit of the stomach area. So it's a little bit tricky. You might have to tape up this kind of shirt if you are wearing in the summer, if you're tall especially, and if there's a lot of wind blowing, you are not gonna everything's gonna be showing. So you have to figure out how to wear this type of top. So that's what I did there. I taped it. Very cute, very linen. Like you can carry like I forgot what they're called. Those bags that are like made of straw material, and you can carry that, put on a hat, and go to the beach with this. It's really cute. Yeah. The next one was a little more, I would say a little more, I want to use the word professional, but not so much. It's just like it gives a little bit of, the flowers in the top is very like a little bit dressy. The shorts are a little bit more, the length is really minimal, so you're not like showing a lot. It has pockets, you tie it in the waist. It's really cute. I really love this. It's brown. You're not doing too much with this short. These are the shorts that especially if you are not tall like me, you could definitely wear this to like with a nice linen shirt, tuck it, carry your backpack or something, go to the park, go to the office or drop by, and it's not an issue, especially if you're not super tall. I took my jean shorts that I love so much. I've been rocking these shorts for about the past 2 years. They fit well, they have stretch, super comfy. And what I did was take this short tank, or no, not a tank, this top that I got from Shein. It had a big bow. It's very colorful, very springy, and I just threw that on. It's super easy. I feel like this is another shirt that you could wear, like if you are pregnant and stuff like that. It's really cute. Like, you put it on with jeans and some sandals, and you are ready to go, and you're looking very feminine, very floral, and it's so cute. And you can see it's so easy, and that bow just makes a statement everywhere you go. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. Tell me, which look did you like, and do you like shorts, and are you comfortable with shorts, or what are your thoughts on shorts, especially if you're a woman over 40 like me? Like, what are your thoughts? For me, it's not a big deal. I like my legs. I don't mind them. I've been rocking shorts for many years, and I just feel so comfy, especially during the summer and going through heat flashes and stuff like that. Shorts are just awesome. I do recommend like really lotioning up your leg. I also have this Vaseline stick that is like has a little bit of glitter. So once I put my shea butter, because shea butter lasts all day, and I put that, my legs are glowing and they look amazing. And yeah, so that's pretty much it guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.